Okay, I thought my last snowblower video would be the last one, but after filling the fuel tank with gas and running it for a bit, I found out it kept dying. I thought it was the carburetor initially, and that I'd have to adjust that, but it turns out it is this gas cap. So I went to Canadian Tire, just sized it up against a gas cap on the wall, and just bought that new gas cap, and the new gas cap works perfectly. Now, what happens is it just dies out, like it just starves for gas, because this is supposed to be a vented cap. As you can see at the beginning of the video, there's nothing inside that gas cap, so it doesn't vent, and eventually the suction from pulling the gas towards the engine creates a bit of a vacuum in the gas tank, and it doesn't pull gas out of the gas tank anymore. So it dies, and then after about 30 seconds, the gas, slowly makes its way back to the carburetor. If you hit the primer a bunch of times, it might start again, but then in another minute or so, it'll die out. So it was a bit of a pain, and obviously I pulled my arm off in the evening trying to get this thing going. So just taking a look in the gas tank to see if I could find any of the bits and pieces of the gas cap in there. If you're gonna look into your gas cap, don't use a lighter, use just a flashlight. I actually didn't see any bits and pieces from what should be on that gas cap. My understanding is there's like a little bell-shaped piece of metal that should be in there, but I didn't see it. Anyway, if you're in a pinch, what you could do, if the gas cap is your problem, is just drill a hole in the gas cap. I'm obviously not going to show the whole thing here, but it does run forever. I also have a flat tire, so I'm going to have another video on how to fix a flat tire. Just drilling that hole in the gas cap actually allowed it to keep running without any problems. If you're in a pinch and need your snowblower and the issue is your gas cap, you could drill a hole in it and keep it running. And then I know what you're thinking, what happens afterwards when the fumes are escaping into your garage, you're going to lose gas. You could use a classic sandwich bag and elastic band to close it up. But anyway, that is not what I have going on here. I obviously did buy a new gas cap. So there's the new gas cap. You can see it's got more bits and pieces inside. It has a rubber gasket, so it'll allow the air to vent in. And I did try it with the gas cap like half screwed in, but I found this thing shakes so much it vibrates the gas cap off. And I was going to adjust the carburetor, but then I found this carburetor seems to be a non-adjustable carburetor. You can adjust the idle speed, but it doesn't have a fuel or air screw to adjust any of the ratios. So that's why I did more examination and went to the gas cap route. Anyway, it totally fixed the issue, and now the snowblower is running fine. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.